In this tutorial we will learn how to display a changing text on the MAX7219 8-digit digital LED display using Viswino and a sequence component. For this project you will need a MAX7219 8-digit digital LED display, breadboard, jumper wires, Arduino and Viswino software. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to viswino.eu and download and install Viswino software. Start Viswino and select the Arduino board, in our case it's Arduino Uno. Add sequence component. Add text value component. Add MAX7219 component. Select sequence 1 and in the properties window set repeat to true. Double-click on the sequence 1, and in the elements window drag period to the left side. Drag another period to the left side and in the properties window set delay to 2000. Drag another period to the left side and in the properties window set delay to 3000. Drag another period to the left side and in the properties window set delay to 4000. Close the elements window. Double-click on the text value 1, and in the elements window, drag set value to the left side and in the properties window set value to hello. Because this is a 8-digit LED display, you are limited to only a certain word letters, so test it to see what words you will be able to display. In the Elements window, drag another set value to the left side and in the Properties window set value to HOUU. Because the LED display cannot show W, we must use 2UU. In the Elements window, drag another set value to the left side and in the Properties window set value to R. In the Elements window, drag another set value to the left side and in the Properties window set value to U. Close the Elements window. Connect sequence 1 period 1 pin out to text value 1 set value 1 pin in. Connect sequence 1 period 2 pin out to text value 1 set value 2 pin in. Connect sequence 1 period 3 pin out to text value 1 set value 3 pin in. Connect sequence 1 period 4 pin out to text value 1 set value 4 pin in. Double-click on the LED controller 1, and in the pixel groups window, drag text display 7 segments to the left side. Close the pixel groups window. Connect text value 1 pin out to LED controller 1 pin clock. Connect text value 1 pin out to LED controller 1 text display 7 segments 1 pin in. Connect LED controller 1 pin chip select to Arduino digital pin 10. Connect LED controller 1 pin out SPI to Arduino pin in SPI. On the bottom, click on the Build tab. Make sure you selected the right board and port and click on the Compile Build and Upload button.